The Supreme Court has raised serious concerns over the environmental degradation in Himachal Pradesh, directly linking it to uncontrolled development, tourism, and unregulated construction in the fragile Himalayan region. During a hearing this week, the court remarked that Himachal Pradesh and all Himalayan states, in fact, are facing a serious existential crisis. It made strong observations about the state's handling of natural resources and has asked for detailed explanations on the ecological imbalance. Quote, this monsoon season has been heavy. Quote, this monsoon season has seen heavy unprecedented rain causing havoc in the fragile ecosystem of Himachal Pradesh. The deluge that struck in various areas has caused widespread damage to life and property. The court highlighted that both permanent buildings and temporary structures were swept away in landslides during this year's monsoon, pointing to a wider pattern of damage. It said that the region's delicate environment is being pushed beyond its limits. Citing a 65-page report submitted by the amicus curiae, the bench questioned the Himachal Pradesh government on whether steps have been taken to regulate tourism, construction, mining, and tree felling. It has asked the state to provide responses to a long list of queries, backed by an affidavit from the Principal Secretary of the Forest Department before the next hearing on 28 October 2025. The court has sought specific details on 1. Zoning for seismic risks, landslide-prone areas, and ecologically sensitive zones. 2. Forest use over the last 20 years, including some tree felling permissions and species data. 3. Compensatory afforestation, which is number of trees planted, survival rates, and funds used. 4. Tourism and construction, approval of hotels, multi-story buildings, and the enforcement of the Town and Country Planning Act. 5. Mining operations and the use of heavy machinery in the hills. 6. Hydroelectric projects and their environmental impact post-construction. 7. Climate change policy, including studies on glacial retreat and rainfall trends. 7. Road development and its link to frequent landslides. The Supreme Court has previously warned that if this continues, Himachal may one day disappear from the map. In earlier responses, the Himachal Pradesh government attributed the devastation to climate change, citing increased cloudburst, glacier melt, and flash flood. However, the court indicated that human activity and poor regulation have also played a role.